What is going on, everybody? This is Black Capino, the Apple Guy, and I thought I would just make kind of a quick, short video on what I've been up to and what's going on. And first off, I want to say that I've actually met my goal, one goal, of reaching 200 subscribers. I actually have gone over by one. So I want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel, and just want to let you know that I will be doing a giveaway now of a GoPro. Now that I've reached 200 subscribers, now my next goal is to reach 120 before middle of summer, hopefully before summer. I have two new videos that I'm going to be posting up. I'm in the middle of editing them right now, so that's why you haven't seen any videos lately, other than the one I posted a couple of weeks ago, or actually should I say a few days ago. So if you're not subscribed, hit that notification, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you'll never miss a bit of videos that I drop. And also want to say that I'm going to be doing a lot more, or at least try to do a lot more videos, content. Although it is kind of hard when you're working full time, you don't really have a lot of time to do a lot of content. Sometimes you can only do maybe one video a week. Sometimes it'd be 2 weeks. So again, that's what makes YouTubing so hard, especially if you work full time, is that you have to have the time to do it, and then it takes time to edit it. So anyone who tells you that YouTubing is easy, he is not a YouTuber, or have never done YouTubing. There's a lot more into it than just recording and video shooting. So but no, I just wanted to make a quick video just to kind of give you kind of a what's up on what I'm doing. Again, I want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. I thank my subscribers. You guys are amazing. I honestly didn't think I'd actually get this far with it, but again, I will be doing a GoPro giveaway now that I've reached 200 subscribers. And this summer, I'm also going to be heading down to California for a convention known as VidCon. For those of you who don't know what VidCon is, it's a giant convention for YouTubers, social media influencers from all across the platforms, from Instagram to YouNow, Live.me, and you get to actually kind of meet some of your favorite creators that you watch on YouTube or on Instagram, and you just get a chance to kind of meet other influencers or people such as yourself and like me who like to do this and are very active and just want to learn more, as much as you can learn, to kind of grow your channel. For those of you who may not know, I've actually done VidCon twice. This is my third time going. It's the 10th anniversary. It used to be in June. They moved it to July. So actually it was just kind of good, because California is amazing no matter what month you go through. But that is what I'm going to be doing. Also, I'm going to be bringing some awesome content there. So again, I want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, you want to know what my channel is all about. My channel is mostly on tech-related stuff, Apple stuff, a little bit of Windows, but pretty much just a lot of kind of just mix and match stuff. But it really gears around a lot of tech stuff and tutorials here and there. So, but again, I want to thank everybody who's helped me reach my goal. If not, subscribe to my channel, hit the like if you like this video, hit the bell notification, that way you'll never miss a video when I drop it. Thank you all, and I will see you when I drop my next few videos. Have a good one.